teacher.
Hello, Hailey. How are you today?
여행 어디 가지? Hello, teacher.
Time for the class.
Wait, teacher, wait.
Hello, Hailey. You seem so busy.
Oh, sorry. I was looking for something. So excited.
Oh, good. What's the good news?
I was busy searching for somewhere to travel to hiking this month.
Wow, good for you. Are you going there alone?
Oh no, with my loved ones. They were busy, but they're free on this month. So I'm so excited to go with them.
That's really good for you. You are killing two birds with one stone with that.
Killing bird? I don't have a stone, and I even didn't kill the birds. That's bad, teacher.
No, Hailey, no. You make me laugh. Anyway, killing two birds with one stone is an idiomatic expression, which means to complete or achieve two tasks at the same time.
So I'm killing two birds in one stone. I'm so excited, teacher.
Okay, be careful with your trip later. And don't forget our lesson for today, okay?
Sure, teacher. Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
너무 기대된다. 그때 봐. 안녕. 두 마리의 토끼를 한 번에 잡는다 라는 말을 영어로 할 때 관용 표현으로 I'm killing two birds with one stone. I'm killing two birds with one stone 이라고 사용해 주시면 되는데요. 이해하셨나요? See you next time. Bye.